Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. And we are back on the Datsun. So last week on the Datsun, we went out and sandblasted the hood, or at least part of it until we ran out of media. But we were gonna do that rest off camera, but we didn't get the media here in time. So I still have to cut up a bunch of stuff on that, but that's not gonna happen today. So what is going to be happening today is we are going to be ripping out the dashboard. Now we need to rip out the dashboard because I need to rip back the carpet because I have a huge rust hole in the floor pans. So we are going to get that out as well as get down to see that. So the dashboard is coming out and that is the goal for today. So this is a how-to on getting it out. So let's hop inside the vehicle and show you what we're talking about. All right, so here we are inside the Datsun with our dash. So this is coming out today so that we can get the carpet pulled back. I might not need to pull it out to get there, but I do want to get the dash out anyway because that is something that we need to clean up. So first and foremost, we need to start finding where all these bolts are to remove it. So let's go ahead, start finding those. We got to remove the radio. And we got to start removing stuff over here. Now I see a couple bolts, or a couple easy screws right in there. So hopefully we can get those out nice and easy. And they will start moving out the dash pad that where we can see a couple more screws over here and like we have over here. So I need to get a screwdriver, a Phillips head, and start removing those little screws. So there is a lot of bolts to get this thing out, but it's out. So we got it out of the Datsun. There was bolts pretty much everywhere on this thing. We had to remove the HVAC stuff. The whole cap is out. Those metal pieces, they are rusted up a little bit. So is this. So we will have to probably take it in the back and sandblast it, remove all the wiring harnesses. Some look really good on the harness-wise. And then we did have, right at the very end, 2 connectors break, which I think we can repair. So I won't have to really replace it, which is cool because a lot of the wiring in the front end needs to be rewired. Now, that wiring harness can come out as well because now it's not connected under the dash. But we have the dash out. This thing is going to get sanded back and painted and at some point put back in. We do have to remove the seats, but we have run out of time. So pretty much this was just taking this piece of crap out. So it is out. It took quite a bit with the radio and everything. We have a speaker right here. We're going to upgrade the speaker, obviously, because this thing is ancient. And we're going to just start upgrading things. We have our VIN plate, so we're going to keep that nice and protected when we go to paint this thing. But that is going to be a wrap for this week's video. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the Datsun. So we'll see you then.